Hi everyone, we're out here in Franklin, Connecticut. We just recently finished a beautiful deck here. It's 12 foot by 24 foot. We took the old one down. That was about half the size. And we used TimberTech decking up here, which has a 25-year warranty. There's virtually no seams on this deck and concealed fasteners. So everything that holds down these boards is held with a screw that you can't see, and is a galvanized fastener so it doesn't rust or deteriorate over time. The other beautiful thing is here is we did a color coordinated rail system with white posts just to really add and accentuate the overall beauty of the deck. And if we kind of pan over this way, you can see the beautiful hillside that these folks have to look out at, and they're just really enjoying it. So, you know, if you're thinking about doing a deck, TimberTech is a really good product that you could think about using. TimberTech and AZEK are owned, they're one of the same companies, and they have a couple different grades. This is kind of the in-the-middle grade, which helps keep pricing a little bit more in check. So thanks for your time today, and enjoy the video.